When it comes to making your home more energy efficient, many homeowners focus on insulation, roofing, and HVAC systems. However, one often overlooked aspect is the importance of proper window installation. Windows play a crucial role in regulating the temperature inside your home, and when installed correctly, they can significantly improve energy efficiency. For Houston residents, where hot summers and mild winters are the norm, investing in quality windows and ensuring proper installation is a smart way to save money on energy bills while maintaining a comfortable indoor environment. The role of windows in energy efficiency. Windows are essential for allowing natural light to enter your home, but they also allow heat to pass in and out. This means that poorly installed or low-quality windows can create drafts, allowing heat to enter during the summer and escape during the winter. In a place like Houston, where the heat can soar to uncomfortable levels, poorly installed windows can lead to higher air conditioning costs as your HVAC system works overtime to cool your home. On the other hand, energy-efficient windows are designed to help keep the heat out during hot months and maintain the warmth inside when the temperature drops. The right windows can reduce the strain on your HVAC system, improving overall comfort and cutting down on energy usage. However, the performance of these windows is heavily influenced by how they are installed. Why proper installation matters. Even the highest quality, most energy-efficient windows won't live up to their full potential if they are not installed correctly. Proper installation ensures that the windows form a tight seal with the surrounding frame, preventing air leaks and maximizing the insulating properties of the window. When windows are improperly installed, gaps can form around the edges, allowing air to seep in and out, which diminishes the energy efficiency of your home. In Houston, the high humidity and occasional rain also mean that proper sealing is vital. Moisture can easily find its way into poorly installed windows, leading to condensation, mold growth, and even structural damage over time. This can not only affect the energy efficiency of your home but also pose a risk to the health and safety of your family. The benefits of proper window installation for energy efficiency. Reduced energy bills. The most immediate benefit of proper window installation is a reduction in your energy bills. By ensuring that your windows are installed to maximize energy efficiency, you'll prevent unnecessary heat loss in the winter and reduce the heat entering your home during the summer. This means your HVAC system won't need to work as hard, which translates into lower energy consumption and reduced monthly utility costs. Enhanced comfort. Properly installed windows help maintain a consistent indoor temperature throughout your home. Without drafts or heat fluctuations, your home will feel more comfortable year-round. In Houston, where the temperatures can be extreme, having windows that properly control the indoor climate ensures that you and your family stay cool in the summer and cozy in the winter. Longer lifespan of your windows. Quality installation not only maximizes energy efficiency but also extends the lifespan of your windows. Properly sealed windows are less likely to face issues such as rot, warping, or damage from moisture. This means you won't have to replace your windows as frequently, saving you money in the long run. Better indoor air quality. When windows are properly sealed and insulated, it helps prevent drafts and moisture buildup, both of which can contribute to poor indoor air quality. Air leaks can let in dust, allergens, and pollutants, while moisture can encourage mold and mildew growth. Proper installation ensures that your home remains healthier and more comfortable for you and your family. Choosing the right professionals for installation. To reap the full benefits of energy-efficient windows, it's essential to choose experienced professionals for the installation. Look for a company with a proven track record in window installation in Houston, as they will be familiar with the local climate and the specific needs of your home. A qualified installer will ensure that the windows are properly sized, sealed, and installed with precision to optimize their energy-saving potential. Conclusion. In a city like Houston, where energy costs can be high due to the extreme temperatures, proper window installation is an investment that can pay off in many ways. By ensuring your windows are installed correctly, you can improve your home's energy efficiency, lower your utility bills, increase comfort, and extend the lifespan of your windows. When you invest in energy-efficient windows and professional installation, you're not just improving your home's aesthetics, you're making a smart, long-term decision for both your wallet and the environment.